In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Freshbooks account and start over. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or you've decided that Freshbooks isn't right for your needs, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, navigate to the top right corner of your Freshbooks dashboard where you'll see your profile photo. Clicking on this is your gateway to managing your account settings. Your profile icon is more than just a picture. It holds pathways to various settings, preferences, and, in this case, the key to altering your subscription and billing. Once you've clicked on your profile photo, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Billing and Upgrade. This area contains all the information and tools related to your current plan, billing history, and, importantly, options for managing your subscription. It's the hub for anything related to how you pay for Freshbooks and where you'll go to make the decision to cancel. Now, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of the Billing and Upgrade page. Here, you will find the Cancel Your Account option. Freshbooks has designed this with a certain degree of intentional placement. By placing it at the bottom, it's a guarded option, ensuring that users are sure about their decision before proceeding. Clicking this link isn't something to fear. It's simply the mechanism through which you can start anew. Upon clicking to cancel, Freshbooks will prompt you to confirm your decision. This step is crucial as it's a safeguard they have put in place to prevent any accidental cancellations. It's your last chance to reflect on whether you truly want to delete your account and all the data associated with it. Confirmation is pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll finalize the cancellation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively deleted your Freshbooks account and can confidently start over. This capability allows you to reassess your financial management approach or try a different service setup to better meet your goals. Remember, deciding to start over is not uncommon, and having control over your account's lifecycle is empowering. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped clarify the process for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and support videos like this one. Have a great day, and good luck with your new start.